Hello and welcome, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, in today's class, we are going to start with our chapter number 3, that is Indian Constitution. So, as we all know about what is Constitution, let's begin. So, before starting with this chapter, here is a small incident which was happened, and from this incident, we are going to study about the Indian Constitution or what is meant by Constitution. So, let's begin. Haley, Priyanshi, and Sachin are watching the final match of the World Cup of 2011 on TV with their parents. An exciting match is going on between India and Sri Lanka. Who will win the World Cup? India or Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka had put up a challenging target for India to achieve, but the fearless batting of the Indian captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni, India won the World Cup. Everyone was rejoicing in victory. Haley said to her mother, her Haley said to her mother while watching TV. Everyone was rejoicing in victory. Haley said to her mother while watching TV, "Mummy, the previous match between England and India resulted in a tie." "What does that mean?" Neetabin said. "Haley, for a proper game like cricket, the ICC has systematically formed rules. A tie in a match means that both the teams have equal score. Even the games like football, hockey, kabaddi, etc. have their own set of rules. If a game has so many rules, then to run the administration of a populous nation will surely require well-framed rules." So, in this incident, we can see that while they were watching cricket match, the girl named Haley felt that if there is some rules and regulations, right, there are in every game there are some rules and regulations, right? So this team or the cricket association has formed these rules, and that rules are being followed by all the nations or all the teams. So in the same way, when it comes to a nation or it comes to the administration, right, to a management of a country or a state, we need certain types of rules and regulations that we need to be followed, right? So we, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign socialist secular democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic, and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt and act and give to ourselves this constitution. So this is basically a constitution gives to our nation or to our public, right? It gives us sovereign socialist secular democratic republic. It gives us justice, it gives us liberty, it gives us equality, and many more things. So this all things are in favor of public or in favor of the people of nation. A systematic a systematic complete a systematic completion of set of rules to run government of country is known as the constitution of the country. So what is constitution? Basically it's a rule book, we can say, in which there are certain rules and regulations which public needs to follow. Constitution can be written or unwritten form. Our constitution starts with the preamble. Here, see, this is our preamble. It starts with this. The constitution, before constitution starts, you find this thing written on the constitution that the people of India, it is in the favor of people of India, and these needs to be followed by the people of India to resolve their problems. Now, the next topic is, how was the Constitution of India formed? The Constitution of India is the statement of the national goals and aims such as democracy, socialism, secularism, national unity, etc. So basically, this Constitution of India states national goals, and it is for democracy, socialism, for the secularism means for the security of the public, and national unity. The Constituent Assembly was established. It started working from 9th December 1946. The Constitution Assembly was formed of prominent and designated scholars and leaders. So this the Constitution Assembly, the team which made this constitution, had a very intelligent peoples and very great scholars, leaders like Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sardar Patel, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, Sardar Baldev Singh, etc. provide their guidelines. Frank Antony represented the Anglo-Indian community, and H.P. Modi represented the Parsi community. The committee have various constitution scholars like Aladi Krishna Swami Iyer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, K.M. Munshi, etc. So, in our Constitution Assembly, there were many great leaders, scholars, there were people from different community, there were many other scholars who guided this Constitution Assembly. Then, our next paragraph is, there were female members like Sarojini Naidu, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as the president of the Constituent Assembly. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the head of the Constitution Assembly. There were a number of subcommittees to take care of various aspects of the Constitution. So basically, in a Constitution, there are all types of rules and regulations, and in that also they had certain departments and they had different heads for that departments. The drafting committee, which was headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, gave the constitution its final shape. So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairperson, and he gave the final touch or the final shape to the constitution. Total 166 meetings were held by the Constituent Assembly in a time period of 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days. See, very important thing to notice, they took 166 meetings in almost 2 years and 11 months. That means almost 3 years they needed to make this constitution, and in that period of time they took 166 meetings, and on 26th November 1949 the committee passed the constitution, which was enforced. On 26th they passed the constitution and it was enforced. That means it came, or it started ruling, or it started into force on 26 January 1950, right? So here I'm going to stop with our chapter number 3. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.